Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're about to embark on a journey that ultimately leads us towards gaining the Atlassian Jira certification. Now, if you're wondering, why should I get this certification? I can tell you one thing: having this certification under your belt enhances your career by validating your knowledge and skills on the hyperlific Atlassian tools. Get ready to add that extra feather in your cap and let's dive right in. So the very first thing we're going to do is be a little student. Learn, explore, absorb. Just head to Atlassian University. Here you will find various learning courses and paths suitable for everyone, regardless of your tech savviness. It's like an all-you-can-eat buffet that caters to beginners, intermediates, and experts. You can leverage these on-demand and free courses to level up your skills. Note that while these classes are gratis, there are standard charges for the certification exams. Now you might ask, how do I get this magical certification? The road to earn an Atlassian certification is neatly paved with systematic steps. Though each certification is unique, they pretty much follow the same path to reach the end goal. The first and foremost step to earning your certification is to immerse yourself in the courses to build your experience with the Atlassian tools and best practices. Navigate through the various courses, start with a learning path that you find relevant, and browse through the Atlassian Learning Course catalog. Their training is comprehensive and intuitive, making it a fun learning experience. Next up, put on your training wheels and gear up to prepare for the certification exam. How? By using the recommended hands-on experience and brushing up on the likely exam topics. Dive into their certification exam prep courses and the Atlassian documentation. Definitely don't overlook the value of the Atlassian community. It's like a little Wikipedia for everything Atlassian, so don't forget to explore it for more resources and insights. Hold on tight because we're now sprinting to the final leg of this journey, the exam. So when you're ready to put all that knowledge to the test, go ahead and create an account and register through the certification portal. Here you can schedule and take your exam, view exam history, and manage your credentials. Lastly, and just as importantly, keep an eye on maintenance. Your certification is valid for 2 whole years. You can always refer back to multiple ways to maintain your certification before it expires. A bit like polishing a shiny trophy, wouldn't you say? And that's a wrap, guys. Remember, the road to expertise will be challenging, but the rewards will definitely be worth it. So stick with your goal, and before you know it, you'll be a certified Atlassian guru. Feel free to drop a comment with any questions or share your experiences with us. Make sure to hit that like button if you found the information useful, and don't forget to subscribe to get notifications for more such engaging tutorials. Until next time, happy learning.